At Flomics, we are developing a minimally invasive liquid biopsy that is capable of detecting cancer even before the first symptoms appear. We are using groundbreaking technology that combines the sequencing of RNA molecules in our blood coupled with data analysis by machine learning that is capable of detecting that a cancer is already being developed inside our body at the molecular level. We fund our operations by a mix of private and public investment with the help of business angels and specialized investment funds. And we are also enabling hospitals and researchers that want to access to genomics and bioinformatics technology but lack the capacity. We offer it to them as a service.
In the last 10 years, liquid biopsy has gained great importance in oncology, enabling targeted therapy, but also in the monitoring and diagnosis of cancer. Along these lines, Flomics is at the forefront developing a multicàncer screening test that will revolutionize cancer care.
Our journey to develop our multi-cancer screening solution involves navigating the complexities of working with RNA. The inherent fragility and rapid degradation of RNA presents a formidable challenge when developing an effective RNA isolation protocol. From a standard blood extraction, Flomics analyzes the RNA molecules circulating in the blood and uses machine learning algorithms to detect disease-associated patterns, particularly those associated with cancer. Flomics is at the forefront of RNA-based liquid biopsy diagnostics by mastering the intricacies of RNA.
With the help of Simti, we are developing the business side of the product. We are developing the market access strategy, the IP protection strategy, regulatory roadmap, and also all the marketing associated with our product.